we'll guide you through how to make Microsoft Edge default PDF viewer. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Settings app on your Windows computer or laptop. Once the Settings page is open, look at the left sidebar where the main categories are listed. Locate the Apps section and click it to open the application settings. The Apps page contains several options related to installed programs and default applications. Take a moment to review the available settings until you find Default Apps. Click Default Apps to continue to the next page. After the Default Apps page appears, scroll down through the available settings until you locate the option labeled Choose Defaults by File Type. Click this option to open a complete alphabetical list of file extensions supported by Windows. Once it is ready, begin scrolling through the alphabetical list until you reach the PDF file extension. Locate the application currently assigned to open PDF files. Carefully check whether the current default application is something other than Microsoft Edge, such as Adobe Acrobat Reader or another PDF viewer. If Microsoft Edge is already selected, no further changes are necessary. Otherwise, click the current default application displayed beside the PDF extension. A dialog box containing a list of available applications will appear. Browse through the available options until you locate Microsoft Edge. Click Microsoft Edge to select it as your new default PDF viewer. Once the selection has been saved, close the Settings window and return to your desktop. Open File Explorer and browse to any folder containing a PDF document. Locate a PDF file that you would like to test. Double-click the PDF document. Verify that the file now opens automatically in Microsoft Edge instead of the previous application.